Today I am going to give a short speech on a person, a pious person known as the Homa Jamshed. Every year on the month of Day in Roj Goa, we perform Homa Jini Baj. But the question is, who was Homa Jamshed? We'll go back about 1,000 years ago when there was, first we'll understand the Parsi calendar. The Parsi calendar consists of 30 days known as Roj, 12 months known as Ma. The names given to these days are given from the Yazatas and Amishastras. And this makes the 360 days. And the last 5 days of Gathas are known in the memory of Gathas. Therefore, 365 days are completed. But when there was a leap year, ancient Zoroastrian thought that we should add 1 year every 4 years to balance the sun's circulation. Therefore, every year, every 4 years, 1 day was added. That day was known as Avardat Sal, which is also known as Kabiso. Besides religious calendar, there was also service calendar. They thought instead of adding 1 day to every 4 years, we will add a month to 120 years. So this month was known as Aspandat Vahista. This month was known as a Kabiso for 120 years. So there was a conflict between persons thought that only a day should be added, not the month. So once there was a priest who traveled from Iran to Bombay, who is known as the Jamas Pesotan Vilayani. He came and he saw the difference. What he saw the difference? He thought there is something wrong practice going on in India. Because in Iran they were 1 year backwards. So he enlightened the group of Parsis in Surat, and the Parsis who was appreciating his thought became a member known as a Kadmi. Kadmi means an Asian. And the Parsis who wanted to follow their forefathers is known as Shehensais, royalties. So, who is Homa Jamshed? Homa Jamshed is a son of Jamshed Zahia, a prominent citizen of Bharuch. He was a weaver by profession. During the controversy of Kadmi and Shershah in 1782, he was accused by a pregnant lady. What exactly happened? We will understand that. Once there was a pregnant lady, a Kadmi pregnant lady, who was following a Kadmi section. She was suffering from a severe pain due to pregnancy. So Homaji was informed by neighbors. Homaji came to help the lady, to give courage out of compassion. But the pain was so severe that the pregnant lady died before she could take any medical help. Enemies of Homaji falsely accused him of miscarriage. The false story was spread that Homaji had an affair with a pregnant woman. Further, due to this, Homaji was sentenced to death. So, first he was brought to trial before the Nawab of Bharuch and then to the British court of Bombay. Throughout the trial, Homaji pleaded his innocence, but the member of Kadmi section gave false evidence against him. He was hanged to death. Before the sentence was carried out, Homaji publicly declared that he was innocent and the sentence against him was not just. He also predicted that the person who gave false evidence against him would come to grief, and all who would remember him after death would receive his blessings. Homaji's sentence was carried out on Roj Goa Ma Day in 1783. On his Charon, the 4th day after his death, his prophecy came true. When the person who gave false testimony against him had a fall in the toilet with bleeding vomiting. After these Parsis were convinced by Homaji's innocence, and till date, to proceed his innocence, people all over the world, especially in Bharuch, remember his day of death by performing Homajini Bar. Blessings are sought to be received in order to avoid any court disputes or life-threatening illness. The Satyavan, merciful, truthful, pious Homaji is remembered in all Zoroastrian prayers. Thank you.
Anyone wants to ask any question?